Obviously, walking through that, we get to the Ethnographic Museum. Walking through this gate, that all looks relatively new. This square where those people are relocating to, through. Behind this Roman vestibule, what we just walked through, whatever that is, a vestibule, I mean, is the forecourt of the imperial chambers of Diocletian's palace. So that way lived Diocletian. Was that dome ever covered in? Was it surfaced? You would think it had to have been surfaced, and then with mosaics, you would think. Icons, perhaps statues of Diocletian or the gods. Both entryways once have this kind of elaborate stonework, probably. What was any of this? Did any of it relate to Diocletian? The appropriate place for his residence, giving him a view of the sea. This wall being restored. Perhaps it was, as it is now. It's part of the Ethnographic Museum, which implies that everything in this area is an original part of Diocletian's residential area. That looks too new. Maybe a restoration support device. That, of course, restoration, but did it protect a large vaulted area? Looks like it might have. People in the Balkans feed these feral cats. Now I'll try to extricate myself from here and go down to the ferry. If I can figure out how to do that. Love riding on ferries and boats in general.
Hvar samo gremo na drugu stranu. Samo malo demo.
We're now in the main town square of Havar town. Up above the town, the castle, which I hope we can climb up to. They're a pretty centerpiece. It might have been a fountain at one time or a well. I don't know what it is. This has a very nice open feeling. If I did have to come back to Split for any reason, I think I'd plan on spending a couple of days on this island. Okay, I'm working my way up this side street directly opposite the tourist office, and it apparently is taking me by this church here. And here one of those sundials or time dials like you see on the church in Florence, the really famous one.